Hello बच्चों, good morning. I'm Dinesh Chaurasia and today I have come here with my topic linear inequation in one variable for class 10. So please listen very carefully and please take your books and copies to note it down. So what is linear inequation? Linear inequation is a mathematical sentence which says that one quantity is not equal to, listen carefully, says that one quantity is not equal to another, and that kind of equation is called an inequality or an inequation. We have simply done in class 7th, 8th and 9th equation. In equation you get something like 5x plus 4 is equal to 0 or 6 or anything, and we have been solving these kind of equations earlier. But in equations we were getting is equal to sign. The main point in equation is we will not be getting equal to sign. We will be getting symbols or signs like greater than or equal to, something like ax plus b is greater than or equal to c, ax plus b is less than or equal to c, or ax plus b is greater than or less than c. So these kind of inequations we have to solve. I have already written some examples, like our first example is 3 minus 2x is greater than or equal to x minus 12, and x belongs to natural number. This is our main point. X belongs to natural number. Here in place of natural numbers we may have whole numbers, integers, or you can say real numbers, anything we can have. So according to this we will get the solutions. Let us see. Now minus 2x, this x will come this side, minus x, this sign greater than or equal to minus 12 and minus 3. Now minus 2x minus x minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 15, and so directly minus x is equal to minus 5. 3 5s are 15. Now listen very carefully. Minus x is greater than or equal to minus 5. So if we remove these two minus signs, x is less than or equal to 5. Earlier it was greater than or equal to 5, now it will be less than or equal to 5. Why? If 4 is greater than 3 and if we apply minus signs both the sides, then minus 3 will be greater than minus 4. So that's why we have written x is less than or equal to 5. So all those natural numbers who are less than 5 or equal to 5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will be the solution set of this inequation. Now once again I have written a second example. Let us see. 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to 5x plus 4 is less than 11. Here we have 1, 2, 3 terms. Now first of all we will take these two terms. 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to 5x plus 4, and again we can take 5x plus 4 is less than 11. Now first of all please solve this. 2x minus 5x, this sign less than or equal to this 4 and minus 5 will come this side, so plus 5. 2x minus 3x means minus 3x, 2x minus 5x means minus 3x, less than or equal to 5 plus 4, 9. Now directly 9 is divided by 3, so 3 3s are 9. Minus x is less than or equal to 3. Once again this minus sign will go this side, so we will get x is greater than or equal to minus 3. Once again we will have this example. Minus sign is going to this side, so x is greater than or equal to minus 3. And again this one 5x plus 4 is equal to 11. 5x is equal to 11 minus 4. 5x is less than 7 and x will be less than 7 by 4, that is 1.4. Now in the first answer we have got x is greater than or equal to minus 3. Greater than or equal to x, the value of x may be greater than or equal to minus 3, but the value of x will be less than 1.4. So we will draw a number line in which 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to infinity. Now the first is the value of x is less than 1.4. In between 1 and 2 we will get 1.4, something here, somewhere here. So 1.4, because the value of x is less than 1.4, not equal to 1.4, that's why we have made a blank circle here. The circle is not darkened fully. Now that means we cannot take 1.4, something less than 1.4 can be taken. So 1.4, and this side x is greater than or equal to -3. So -3 is involved because equal to sign is there. So x is greater than or equal to -3, so -3 will be involved, and that's why we have taken a darkened circle here, because -3 also is involved, and -3 and greater than -3 is -2, -1, 0, 1, everything, and here the condition is 1.4, so 1.4 we have. So we have this representation on the number line also. So this is all about linear inequations. Some more examples and some more concepts are there, about which we will be discussing in the next lecture. And I have given already 2 homework also. Please note it down and solve it if you could do it in your fair copies. The first one is 3 in bracket 3x plus 2 greater than 7x minus 2. X belongs to real number. Note it down. X belongs to real number. In second one, minus 3x plus 4 is less than 2x minus 3, and x belongs to whole number. See, these conditions you have to see very carefully, whether x belongs to real number, x belongs to whole number, because on these basis you will get the solution sets different. X may be belonging to natural number, whole number, real number, rational number, or integers. Okay. Thank you so much. Please revise it, and we'll be meeting soon. Thank you.